afternoon. I'm Granny Fisher, and today we're going to talk about starting a garden. Now, right now it's September, late September, and here in Tennessee we're in the Zone 7, and so it's a little bit late to be starting a garden. But there is preparation that has to be done. So I'm going to tell you what I would do if I were just starting a garden. The garden plants need the same thing in a different form that humans need. We need food, water, shelter, and protection. And plants need food, water, shelter, and protection. They need food in the form of some type of fertilizer, compost, manure, something that enriches the soil. They need water, of course, rainfall, or if you don't have sufficient rainfall, you have to water the plants. They need shelter, which for them is soil. They need soil, but they also need protection from predators. And that's where security comes in. They need security from chickens that might eat the plants, or bugs, or pests of some sort. So that's your four things that all life forms need. They need food, water, shelter, and protection. And in addition, plants need sunshine because they convert sunshine into energy. And that's why we eat plants, is we get the energy that they have stored up in their structure. We take it into our bodies, and it nourishes us and gives us energy.